Best vitamins for your skin. Taking care of your skin should be an essential part of your health regimen. It is, after all, your body's largest organ. The first thing most health professionals will tell you to do to keep your skin healthy is to limit your exposure to the sun's harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays and wear protective sunscreen when you're exposed to sunlight. But the sun isn't all bad. Just 10 to 15 minutes of daily exposure helps manufacture vitamin D throughout the skin. Vitamin D is one of the best vitamins for your skin, along with vitamins C, E, and K. Making sure you get enough vitamins can keep your skin looking healthy and youthful. This could translate to a reduction in dark spots, redness, wrinkles, rough patches, excessive dryness. Essential skin vitamins are available in supplemental form, but they are also found in skincare products. Here are the 5 best vitamins for your skin. 1. Vitamin C. Be it beauty products or your homemade face masks, vitamin C is popularly used to treat various skin issues like acne, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and fine lines. It is naturally found in the epidermis, the topmost layer of your skin. Even the inner layers of the skin contain this ingredient. How does vitamin C benefit your skin? Vitamin C enhances collagen production in the skin. Collagen is a protein fiber that gives your skin strength and keeps it firm. As you age, the production of collagen reduces naturally. Years of sun exposure can also break down this protein in your skin. Topically applied vitamin C can increase the production of this protein, reducing the appearance of fine lines. It also lightens pigmentation spots and reduces tan by inhibiting the enzyme tyrosinase, which is responsible for the production of melanin, skin pigment. Vitamin C consumed orally may enhance the efficacy of your sunscreen. It speeds up the body's healing process by reducing cell damage. Foods that contain vitamin C. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons. Broccoli, cauliflower, sprouts, and capsicum. Other vitamin C-rich fruits like papaya and strawberries. 2. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is popularly used in several skincare products because of its antioxidant properties. Your serums, sunscreens, and moisturizers likely contain this magic ingredient. How does vitamin A benefit your skin? Retinoids are a form of vitamin A that are widely used in anti-acne topical and oral medicines. They have anti-inflammatory properties that help improve acne symptoms. Vitamin A is also good to reduce the appearance of signs of aging by interrupting the process of collagen damage. It prevents sun damage and can also prevent sunburn. Foods that contain vitamin A. Eggs. Cereals. Orange, yellow vegetables and fruits. Fortified skimmed milk. Green vegetables. Before I continue, if you are finding value in the video, please like the video, it will help the channel grow. Thank you. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that serves several purposes to maintain healthy skin. How does vitamin E benefit your skin? Vitamin E reduces sun damage by absorbing the UV rays of the sun when applied topically. It also keeps the skin conditioned. Your body produces vitamin E naturally, through an oil called sebum that is vital to maintain good skin health. Vitamin E keeps the skin moisturized and prevents it from feeling irritated. It is recommended to consume foods containing vitamin E for better efficacy. Foods that contain vitamin E. Vegetable oils. Nuts and seeds. Green vegetables. Certain cereals and juices. 4. Vitamin D. There is an ongoing debate about whether or not applying sunscreen every day can cause vitamin D deficiency. Your body produces the most vitamin D when sun rays penetrate through your skin. However, deficiency is not as serious as the harm UV rays can cause to your skin. 10 minutes of sun exposure early in the morning is enough to get your daily dose of vitamin D. Stay away from the sun during its peak hours, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Vitamin D can also be taken through certain foods and supplements. It creates healthy cells in the body. Foods that contain vitamin D. Eggs. Fatty fish. Certain dairy products. Dairy products. Soy products. Cereals. 5. Vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a major role in treating a host of skin conditions and issues. The University of Florida suggests that vitamin K deficiency is rare as it can be found in a variety of foods. How does vitamin K benefit your skin? Some of the major benefits include fading of stretch marks, scars, dark spots, under eye circles, and spider veins. Vitamin K also aids in the body's healing process and is effective in treating wounds and bruises. Dermatologists may recommend topical creams containing this vitamin to reduce skin issues or swelling and bruising. Foods that contain vitamin K. Green vegetables like kale, spinach, lettuce, and romaine. Sprouts. Broccoli. Fish. Eggs. Cauliflower, cabbage. So that's it. Leave a comment below if you have more vitamins that are best for your skin. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel. Don't go just yet. Look at your screen, we have handpicked those videos for you to watch. See you in my next video. Stay healthy.